Nakakalungkot ng yung ating gabi kasi we are about to end. Wala ba ba? Pero bago ang lahat, syempre gusto muna namin magpasalamat. Unang-una, sa Onesie Entertainment!
Onesie! Bakit pag onesie tahimik? Onesie Entertainment!
Yes. Katulad nyo, baby namin yan.
And also, we would like to thank Live Nation Middle East. Thank you so much. Make some noise for Live Nation Middle East. And of course, Live Nation Philippines. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po for making this happen. Salamat po.
Yes, at syempre gusto namin magpasalamat sa naglipad sa amin dito.